Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to activate Snake Party theme on Instagram. So let's get started. So if you want to activate your Snake Party theme on Instagram, so to do that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, open up your Instagram application. After opening up your Instagram application, just tap on the message icon which is on the top right. After tapping on that, now you just have to select a person. So just select any person that you like, and after selecting them, now what you have to do is just tap on their profile. You just have to simply tap on that profile, and after tapping on that you will find this option which is themes. Just tap on themes, and after tapping on that you will find your Snake Party theme over here. So what you can do is just simply select that theme, and after selecting it, now you have successfully added Snake Party theme in your Instagram. So that's it guys, this is how to activate Snake Party theme on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.